Often when I talk to people and we talk about their results and their desired results in life, it comes down to what they really believe. And people say to me, I believe that I want to start my own business. That's their conscious thought. That's what they're saying. But the mind has two components to it, conscious mind and a subconscious mind. And if you consciously believe something, that's different than if you subconsciously believe. So praxis is a term that's used to describe the integration of belief between your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. What you need to understand when you start thinking about belief is your subconscious mind drives all your behavior. 95% of what you do is subconscious. So if you haven't integrated your conscious thoughts with your subconscious thoughts, all your thinking is really doing nothing for you. Your conscious thinking, because you have to integrate it with your subconscious beliefs. So one of the things I help my clients do is understand how to create a subconscious belief. If you want to know more about how to do that, reach out to me. It's key to getting new results in your life.